Choreb Beruach, Sword of the Spirit. Interpreted and narrated by Wendy. Bereshit, Genesis, Chapter 7. And it came to pass in the 601st year, in the 1st month, the 1st day of the month, the waters were dried up from off the earth. And Nuach removed the ark's covering and looked, and behold, the face of the Adamah was dry. And in the 2nd month, on the 27th day of the month, the earth was dry. Therefore Elohim spoke to Nuach, saying, Go forth from the ark, you and your wife and your sons wives with you. Bring forth with you every living thing that is with you of all flesh, of fowl and of livestock, and of every creeping thing that creeps upon the earth, that they may breed abundantly in the earth. Therefore be fruitful and multiply upon the earth. Then Nuach went forth, and his sons, and his wife, and his sons' wives with him. Every beast, every creeping thing, and every fowl, whatever creeps upon the earth after their kind, went forth out of the ark. And Nuach built an altar unto Yahuwah, and he took of every clean beast, and of every clean fowl. Then he offered burnt offerings on the altar. And Yahuwah smelled the sweet savor. Then Yahuwah said in his heart, I will never again curse the Adamah for Adam's sake any more, because the imagination of Adam's heart is evil from his youth. Nor again will I strike everything living any more, as I have done. While the earth remains, seedtime and harvest, and cold and heat, and summer and winter, and day and night will not cease. Then Elohim endowed Nuach and his sons. Also he said to them, Be fruitful and multiply, and replenish the earth. Thus the fear of you and the dread of you will be upon every beast of the earth, and upon every fowl of the air, upon all that moves on the Adamah, and upon all the fish of the sea. Unto your hand they are delivered. Every moving thing that lives will be food for you. So too, like the green herb, I have given you all things. But flesh with the life of it, which is the blood of it, you will not eat. And surely the blood of your lives I will require from the hand of all beasts, and I will require it from the hand of the Adam. From the hand of every man's brother I will require the life of the Adam. Whoever sheds the blood of the Adam within mankind, his blood will be shed. For in the image of Elohim he made the Adam. And you, be fruitful and multiply. Bring forth abundantly in the earth, and multiply in it. Then Elohim spoke to Nuach and to his sons with him, saying, And I, behold, I establish my covenant with you, and with your seed after you, and with every living creature that is with you of the fowl, of the livestock, and of every beast of the earth with you, from all that went out of the ark to every beast of the earth, and I will establish my covenant with you. Thus all flesh will not be cut off by the waters of a flood again, nor will there be any more flood to destroy the earth. Then Elohim said, This is the sign of the covenant which I make between you and I, and every living creature that is with you for perpetual generations. My rainbow I set in the cloud, and it will be for a sign of a covenant between me and the earth. And it will come to pass, when I bring a cloud over the earth, that the bow will be seen in the cloud. Furthermore, I will remember my covenant, which is between me and you, and every living creature of all flesh. And never again will the waters of a flood destroy all flesh. And the bow will be in the cloud, and I will look upon it, that I may remember the everlasting covenant between Elohim and every living creature of all flesh that is upon the earth. Then Elohim said to Noach, "This is the sign of the covenant, which I have established between me and all flesh that is upon the earth.